buddy. What have we done?
Ooh, new adventures yesterday. It's a little towards Povertyville up yonder, near the border again. We bought some leaves and got some other stuff with it, I think. But we bought some more junk.
Yeah, so we bought some Supersonics and some Blizzard liquids. You know, they don't look like much, guys. Honestly, this one looks pretty good after you got all the leaves out.
Yeah.
This should be a 340, I think.
This is probably the best of the three.
No, the chassis shot.
It is, but not as shot as like that.
Oh, yeah, wait. Let's just take a quick gander at that. You could run that. That's not. It's really not rotten. I mean, you could patch it with some.
Up here.
I think your Enticer was worse. That white one that you patched. Do you feel that cold wind on your legs right now between your work pants? Because yeah. I do, and it's not great.
I think it's time to
get suits on. Get suits, yeah. Get sucked on her suits.
Ooh.
And then here's a 440 Supersonic that just turns over, but the recoil is so stiff, I don't know if it's got spark. But it's got a nip and denso. I'm more confident this would spark.
Probably spark.
And then here we got our exhaust pipes for them. We labeled them last night so we didn't forget. And then one of the gems of the bunch, the 77 TX.
Yep.
Boy, is this thing, it was rough in trees and leaves. Look at that side. You can see the comparison. Look how clean the left side is. And then the right side is moss. Look at that, dude, Mark. Night and day.
I know.
And then here was a 74 GPX 340. And then another 77 TX chassis. These things are pretty sweet. 76 and 77. 4,000 LT grays. This is the breadwinner right here. It's got twin pipes, I believe, from a Suzuki Fury. And it has no spark, but we'll see about that Kimpex aftermarket box, aftermarket coil. We'll do some diagnostics with our other motor that we have. And we know this stock 76 does run. It just had a bad kill switch. We figured that out last night. Look at the head temp gauges. Super clean sled. Even the seats are still soft, right, Mark?
Yeah, they're not, but that one's a little.
Did you even check the pouches?
No.
Oh, who's going in? Oh, did he ransack him? Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he did.
What's in the other one? They actually, I mean, the seats aren't punky.
They're hard, but they're not that crunchy.
Oh, there's a mice nest. Look at that color, buddy.
Wow.
Of what it used to be.
Yeah. 50 years ago.
Yep, literally 50 years ago it was. This one's only got 1,600 miles on it. Another 10,000 RPM tack on that one. I don't think yours had a tachometer when you got your other one. It just had a speedometer. I don't even think it had anything for gauges. But yeah, we're going to get these figured out and moved around. This is probably the coolest one, is the 9500 Plus. It's got a goofy ass track in it, and the skid's a little bit different, I think, than the others.